Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to apply a nail polish professionally, so keep watching. Okay, first thing I'll remove the nail polish. As you can see, I have my old polish. I'll completely remove them, so when I apply the new polish, it is even and neat. I'm using a cotton and a nail polish remover to remove it. Today I'll be using the colors that I got from the Reliance store. This Winnie pink. It's a nude pink. And the other color is coral pink. I got these two for just ₹50. Tips: remember, while you're applying, remove the excess paint from the brush and then applying to your fingernails. First, apply to the center of your nails. Then to the side of your nails. And if you're like me, a handshake while you're applying, then place your hand on the table so that you have a support while you apply. This is a very nice color for a cheap price. For the polish to be opaque, I'm plain and double coat. Now I have applied double coat on all my fingernails. I'll be applying a top coat as this helps the polish to last longer and also gives a glossy look. If you want a glossy look, then you can apply the glossy top coat. If you want matte, you can apply the matte coat. Now to remove the excessive paint, we'll dip the cotton bud into the nail polish remover and then remove the paint. Now we're ready to go. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel, Little Things. Thank you